In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge vendors in Zoho Books in a straightforward way, making your vendor management more efficient. As your business grows, it's not uncommon to end up with duplicate vendor entries. Managing these duplicates can often become a tedious task, but Zoho Books offers a handy feature that can help streamline this process, saving you both time and effort. Let's start by navigating to the Vendors section. To do this, look to the left sidebar on your Zoho Books dashboard. You'll want to click on Purchases. This action will reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, select Vendors. This is your central hub for managing all vendor-related activities. Once you've accessed the Vendors section, it's time to identify which vendor record you'd like to merge. Typically, this is going to be the duplicate or secondary vendor that was accidentally entered twice into your system. Click on this vendor's name to open their detailed record page. Make sure it's the correct entry that you want to consolidate, as merging cannot be undone. With the vendor's details page open, let's locate the merge function. You'll find an option labeled More in the top right corner. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu where you'll see the Merge Vendors option. This feature is your gateway to combining details from the duplicate into your chosen main vendor. After selecting the Merge Vendors option, a new dialog box will appear, prompting you to select the master vendor. This is an important step. The master vendor is the record you wish to retain while consolidating the information from the duplicate entry. Choose carefully, as the master vendor's details will be the primary information retained in your records. Once you've selected the master vendor, you'll want to proceed by clicking Continue. This step requires a moment of consideration, as you'll want to ensure all details and selections are accurate to avoid any confusion later down the line. Finally, the last step is to confirm your decision. This is your chance to double-check that everything looks correct before finalizing. Click Confirm to complete the merging process. This action will combine the information from the duplicate vendor into your chosen master vendor, effectively streamlining your database and removing any redundant entries. And that's all there is to it. Merging vendors in Zoho Books is an efficient way to maintain a clean and organized database, helping you keep track of your purchasing history without unnecessary clutter. Remember, this process cannot be undone, so be careful with your selections along the way. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful tips on using Zoho Books to its fullest potential.